Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
See how my investment was faring. The idiots in the tap room said you might be up here. That's a fascinating conversation you've been having, cousin. But it leaves me feeling like there's a few things you haven't exactly
It's a roundabout.
telling me.
It's a roundabout, dude. You have to yield to who's coming in.
And he groaned. Like everything.
Which is why I would have sideswiped you if I...
Why don't we start
No, I'm not going
everything?
to. If you're... I'm not going to argue with you. Have a good day.
Fatal honesty. I never knew any
Dude,
more beautiful
move.
than you. I have hunted you under my thoughts. I have
Okay.
broken down under
Thanks
the
for being on
wind
Idiots and
into the
Cars.
roses looking for you. I shall never find any greater than you. Carl Sandburg, from The Great Hunt. Chapter 8. The 5-Year Game. Infinite Variation. 1. Someone's gonna recognize us, said Locke.
They are. I kind of went I went up and shook it and hit it, and I was like, oh my god. What are you doing? What the?
Well, I think we all know what happened there.
He is going way too fast. Ooh. What?
Because it comes out to 9 now. He's coming! He's coming!
Trippy, look at it go. It's dead.
Is this like one of those like really crappy copy pasta horror things? I stood in a garden and did nothing, and then a ghost showed up. Parkour! This feels like something that could happen in like a modern.
Por eso no te tiene que afectar porque no sucedió antes.
Espero que este no choque, porque se trató de ir, pero...
Yo para otro lado.
Ay. Sabía que se iba a pasar.
De lo que ya volteó.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.